It is a bat.
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 Did
Yes.
you learn about a new animal today, Noah?
You learned about the bat. It is a bat.
Yeah, he's funny.
Mm-hmm.
What else is in there? Are there kitties in there?
The only thing important is a bat.
What other animals are there in there? I think I see it. Oh, a frog and a... What's in the other one? Is it a bunny?
Fox.
It's not a fox.
No, it's not a fox, honey. A mouse? Do you see the mouse? Mouse?
It's a bat.
You could do your belly laughing like you were doing. Bat!
It's the bat. That's right.
Of course, he won't do the laughing now.
Yes, it's a bat.
It's a little fake, isn't it, Noah?
Yeah. Yeah. That's right.